Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 111 रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से पार्ट 2 करेक्ट यूसेज है और इसमें हम कर रहे हैं चैप्टर 18 नाउन्स एंड प्रोनाउंस उसकी एक्सरसाइज. Fill in each blank with who or whom. I met a man today who I just heard was on the continent. Any of you may take it. I don't care. Whom? Whom did you give that letter to? The man whom I thought was my friend deceived me. There was no doubt as to whom the speaker meant. The vacancy was filled by Mr. Rao, whom the manager said ought to be promoted. The vacancy was filled by Mr. Rao, whom the manager thought worthy of promotion. It is Sohrab, whom I think is better of the two at swimming. Ali was the man who they intended should be our captain next year. Whom do you think is the better of two at tennis? Enoch Arden, who his wife thought had died many years before, suddenly reappeared. The boy whom I trusted proved worthy of my confidence. Whom do you take me for? Whom are you speaking to? Whom do men declare me to be? A boy whom I believed to be him just passed this way. I, who am most concerned, was not consulted. The man whom you wished to see is here. Where is the boy about whom you were speaking? तो ये आपकी एक्सरसाइज थी who और whom से रिलेटेड. अच्छी लगी सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन. मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में.